Hello friends, today's topic is sort array using merge sort algorithm. We already discussed the merge sort algorithm in previous video. I give the link of previous video in description box and I give the link of this program in description box. Let's start. int main, this is a main function. Array n I is integer type variables. Enter the value in how many blocks you want in the array. B enter the value n is 3. We enter the value n is 3. 4. I use this loop for enter the value in this array. I equal to 0, I less than equal n and I plus plus. Then C out enter the data in ith blocks. We enter the 0 block in 9 and first block is 8 and second block is 7 and third block is 6. Then the value enter in these blocks. The sort array sort is a function and we pass the array and 0 and n. N is size of array. Size of array is 3. Then n value is 3. Then this is n value is 3. And we call the sort function. This is a sort function. Then star value, this is array pass and star value is 0 and last value is 3 because n value is 3. Then 3 is pass 3 is pass in last. Then star less than last, condition is true. Star value is 0 and last value is 3, condition is true. Then mid, star plus last, the value of mid is 1 because 0 plus 3 equal to dead, divide by 2, 3 divided by 2, and the value of is integer type. Then sort, there are two functions. The array is divided in two parts. Is array, this array, and start value is 0, 0, and last value is star value is 0 and mid value is 1. Mid value is 1. One array, and second array star mid plus 1. Mid value is 1 and plus 1 is 2. This is second block. And last value is 6, then 6, and last value is 3. The 3 value, 3 blocks value is 6. Then merge array star mid last. The star value is 0 and 0 pass, and mid value 3 and 3. Mid value is 1 pass, and last value 3 pass. Then array, this array is divided in two parts. Again we divide this array further, and the value we call the sort function. This is sort function, we call the sort function. The array pass and star value is 0 and last value is 1. Star value is 0 and last value 1 is 0 less than 1, condition is true. Then mid, the value of mid, 0 plus 1 divided by 2 is 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 2. Then star value is 0. Then array divided in two parts, star and mid. Star value 0 and mid value 0. This is 0 block. And second block is array. This is array and mid plus 1. Mid value is 0 and plus 1. This first and last is 1. There again, then start value 0 and last value is 0. Then 0 less than 0, condition is false. Then this array is not divided again. Then check this array 1 and 1. 1 less than 1, condition is false. This array is not divided again. And we divide this array again. The star value is 2. Star value is 2 and last value is 3. 2 less than 3, condition is true. Condition is true. Then mid value equal to star plus last. Star 2 and last is 3 is divided by 2. The value is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 2. Value is 2. Then sort array. Array star value is 2 and mid value is 2. And this array is, and array, second array, mid plus 1. The mid value is 2 and plus 1. Mid value is 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 3 and last value is 3. And this array is divided in 2 parts. Again, we divide this array, but this array not divided, because if the start value is 2 and last value is 2, 2 is not greater than 2, condition is false. Then 3 is not greater than 3, is condition is false. Then we call the merge array star, we call the merge function. This is 4 blocks. This is 4 blocks, and we merge this array. First we merge this array, and now the merge value is pass 2, 2 and 3. Then the star value, this array pass and star value is 2. Star value is 2 and mid value is 2 and last value is 3. Then find the value of u. Let's see. The mid value is 2 plus and minus start value is 2. Mid value is 2 and start value is 2. Mid value is 2 and start value is 2 and plus 1. Plus 1 equal to 1. The value of u is 1, and find the value of b. The b value is last minus mid. Last value is 3 and mid value is 2, equal to 1. Then execute this loop. The I value is 0 and I less than u, condition is true. Then the left, this is to left and right, and left, this is left I, and array start plus 1, start plus I. The start value is start value is 2 and I value is 0. Then start, this is 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. The 2 is insert in left. Then 2 insert in left, and the I value is 1 and u value is 1. I is not less than u, condition is false. Then loop is terminated. 4. We execute this loop, and thus j, this is right, and j value is 0, and j less than b, b value is 1, condition is true. Then mid value is 2 n plus 1 and j value is 3. The array is 3. This array is 3. This array is 3. Then 3 is value insert in right. The right value is 0. Then 6 is insert in here. Then 7 is insert here and 6 insert here. And the value I value and j, I and j k be initialize this, and I value is 0 and j value is 0 and k value is start. Start value is 2. Then k value is I value is 0 and j value is 0 and k value is 2. Then k value is 2 now. Then I less than u. I value is 0 and u value is 1. Condition is true. Then j value is 0 and b value is 1. Condition is true. Then left value, this is left high and this is right. Left less than right, condition is false. This loop is not execute and else pass execute. The array k, the k value is 0. The k, this is array k. This is array k, this is 0 and this is 1. Sorry. The value of left I value is 0. 0 is insert in k. Left I, the value left I is 7. I value is 0. Sorry. The array k and equal to right j. The value of j is 6 and 6 is insert in this. 6 is insert in this block. K value, this is 0. This is 0 and this is 1. And the value of k is increment. K value is 3 and j increment. The j value is 1. Check condition. The I less than u condition is true. The j value is 1 and b value is 1. Condition is false. Then loop is not execute. Then execute this loop while I value less than u. Condition is true. Then j value is 2 and b value is 1. Condition is false. Then this loop is not execute and execute this loop. I value is 0 and u value is 1. Condition is true. Then left is this and array k value is 3. The 7 is insert in here. Then the 2 value is swap in this array. Then this array is merged and we execute now this part. The start value is 0 and mid value is 0 and last value is 1. Then find the value of u. Then u value is mid minus start. Mid value is 0 and minus start value is 0 and plus 1 equal 1. The u value is 1 and last minus mid. Last value is 1 and mid value is 0. Then is equal 0 equal 1 and then execute this loop. This is array left and this is array right. This array is this and this array is this. This array left and this array right. Let's I value is 0 and I less than u condition is true. Then I, this is left I and I, array, this is array. The start value is 0 and plus I value is 0. Then 9 is insert is here and the I value is 1. Condition is false. The 1 is less than 1. Condition is false. Then the value of I is 1 and the value of u is 1. The value of I is 1 and the value of u is 1. 1 less than 1, condition is false. Then execute this loop. The value of j is 0 and the value of b is 1. 0 less than 1, condition is true. Then array j, array right. This is array right and mid value is 0. Mid value is 0. This is mid value 0 and 1. J value is 0. Then 1. This is 1. Array 1. The value of array 1 is insert in right j. Then 8 is insert here and the value of I is 0 and the value of j is 0 and the value of k is start value is 0 and I less than u condition is true. I is sorry, the right j. This is right j. Right j is 8. This is right j. Right j value is 8. Right j value is 8. Then 8 value is k value is 0. 8 is insert. This is 0 index. This is 1 index. And the value of j is increment and value of k is increment. The j value is 1. Again, the I value less than u condition is true. Then j less than b. The j value is 1 and b value is 1. Condition is false. Then execute this loop while check the condition. I value is 0 and u value is 1. Condition is true. Then left I. This is left I. Left I insert in k. K value is 1. then 9 is insert here, and this array is merge. Now this array is merge, and we merge this array. Then execute this part again, merge. The value of this merge is again execute. Now we cut this value from here. Here the value of this is remove, and this value is move here, and this 0 1 and 0 and 1. Now the array, this is line execute. The start value is 0 and mid value is 1, and last value is 3, and this is remove. Now this is array k now here, and this is left array, and this is right array. This is right, and this is array. This value is 0, and this value is 1, and this value is 2, and this value is 3. Because this value is here 0 and 1 2, reason is this because of we merge now this array, because this step is remove and we point this step now. So the value of 0 and 1 2 and 3, this, and we find the value of u. The value of u is mid value is 1 and start value is 0 and plus 1, and 1 minus 0 plus 1, the value of u is 2, and value of last value is 3, and minus 1, mid value is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, the value of b is 2. Now this is left and this is right. I value is 0 and I less than u. I value is 0 and u value is 2. Condition is true. Then I value is 0 and array start plus 1. Start value is 0 and I value is 0. The value of 0 is insert in left 0. The 8 value is insert here, and increment I is 1. Then 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Then start value is 0 and I value is 2. The left value I is 2. Then 9 is insert in here. The I value is 1 and I increment. The I value is 2 and the value of u is 2. Condition is false. Then terminate this loop. The execute this loop. The j value is 0 and j less than b, condition is true. Then mid value is 1 and j value is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 2 and j is 0. 0 insert here, 6 is insert here, and j value is 1. Now 1 is less than 2, condition is true. Then mid value is 1 and j value is 1 and 1 is 3. The 3 point the this block and 3 is insert j value is 1. Now 1 is now here insert 7 because 3 is point the 7. Now 7 is insert here, insert in j in right array. Then I value is 0, I value is 0 and j value is 0 and k value is 0. Then I less than u, I value is 0 and u value is 2, condition is true. And j value less than b, condition is true. J value is 0 and b value is 2. Left I, this is left I and this is right j. Left I value is 0 and right j value is 0. This is condition false. And execute else part. Array k, this is array k. This is array k. Now k is 0 and right value is 0. 6 is insert here. Six is insert here. And the k value is increment. K value is 1 and j value is increment and j value is 1. I less than u, condition is true. And j less than b, condition is true. Then I value is 8 and right value is 1. 1 value is 1.7. Its condition is false. Then execute this line. Array k value is 1 and right value j is 1. Then 7 is insert this block. And now the j value is increment. Now j value is 2 and k value is 2. Now the I value is less than u, condition is true. J value is 2 and b value is 2, condition is false. This loop is terminated. I value is 0 and u value is 2, condition is true. Then array k value is 2 and the left value I is 0. 8 is insert here and I is increment. I is 1 and j is increment. J is 3 and I value is 2. 9 is insert here. And this is our loop is this our array sorted. We execute this program. This our array is sorted. Our array is sorted and we execute this program. Sorry, we not declare. I was not declared in this scope. We declare the I. Now we declare I, and this is not. Sorry, this is false. And now see, we enter the value 9, 8, 7, 6. Now the array is sorted. We enter the value again. We enter the value random 8, 6, 5, 2, 89, 55, 24, 36, 49. Now this array is sorted. Thank you so much.